feels like is -2. The parking lot does not look any busier than it usually is. It is actually so cold. We don't need bread, but I want to go down the bread aisle to see how empty it is. It's pretty empty, but there's still like plenty of bread left. Honestly, I thought formula would be like wiped out. There's still plenty of formula, plenty of water. I do want to look for gloves for Maeve. We'll see if we can find those. Guess not. This is all they have, but we have plenty of hats. Just looking for gloves. Not a lot of eggs. I just got to the car after checking out and forgot tortilla chips. That aisle was a little bare. Okay, Walmart. I wish I was kidding. As soon as I walked out, I realized that I forgot hot chocolate. Overall assessment of Walmart. For one, I was surprised at how calm it felt and like not very busy. Eggs were definitely low, bread was low. Didn't check the milk. So I'm very curious to see what we get, but everyone stay safe if you are in the path of the snowstorm. Still time to stock up on some stuff if you need it.